Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. I hope you all are doing great. I have recently made a couple of changes in our kitchen, and in today's video I will be sharing the thought process behind these changes and the new organization system that I have implemented. But before we dive into that, let's start by shifting this spider plant in the balcony. I moved it inside to avoid harsh summer sunlight as the area is well lit and receives morning sunlight. However, within a month, it started showing signs of unhappiness, which is clearly visible. My takeaway from this experience is that our balcony is essentially an indoor space, not a part of the rooms inside our home. It is very tricky to keep plants alive inside the home. I would say, except money plant and snake plant, nothing would survive inside our home. So I have chopped all the brown parts or the dried leaves. Now that the spider plant has been moved, I will keep you guys updated in upcoming videos on its survival. Please send your best wishes. On a positive note, take a look at this beautiful curry patta plant and our blooming desert rose or adenium. Recently, I visited my in-laws' home to attend a family function. On my way back to the airport, I stopped at a market in Lucknow, and to my surprise, I found these absolutely gorgeous crockery pieces. I simply couldn't resist sharing with you all. I got 4 quarter plates, 4 small bowls, and 4 small deep bowls. Although the dishes have some Japanese writing on them, I couldn't find any more information about them. However, I did a quick Google photo search and found out that they are beautifully crafted ceramic plates and bowls with intricate leaf and flower designs, possibly featuring Japanese chrysanthemums. But here is the catch. I'm not entirely sure if they are dishwasher safe or not. So for now, I will be hand washing them to keep them looking lovely. I'm super excited to use them during our meal times, and I hope you all will love them too. This is a customized oven cabinet designed to keep my microwave oven and OTG together. I took measurements of the space and drew a rough sketch with all the necessary measurements. I gave the design to a local carpenter who made the cabinet in our home. The cabinet features 2 shelves and 2 drawers and cost a total of 10,000 rupees. The measurements of the cabinet are on your screen to refer. I sourced the legs from IKEA and had these knobs from our previous projects. With the changes in our cooking habits and lifestyle, I like to welcome new changes in our home. If you ask me, do I need a big kitchen? Well, I'm not sure about the need, but surely I want. A space for built-in appliances, a space for French door fridge, a kitchen island to take better camera angles as a content creator, free space to set 2 cameras, etc. But we have what we have for now, and it taught me well how to be creative and set the workflow with limited space. When our 12-year-old microwave stopped functioning properly, I decided to purchase a new solo microwave. After researching and asking for suggestions on Instagram, many of you recommended Samsung, LG and IFB's solo microwaves. I ended up buying this Samsung microwave. It's from their Baker series, 23 liter. I chose this microwave for its functionality and beautiful pastel pink color. I will share the link of this microwave in the description box below if you wish to refer. Before buying an expensive or fancy oven, I wanted to make sure if I really needed one. So I bought this Agaru one because it was the cheapest in the market. Maybe placing covers on appliances is considered an old school thing, but I still like to do it. It helps prevent dust and I love the way everything looks. Have you heard the quote? Your home should tell the story of who you are and be a collection of what you love. I never fail to fall in love with my little nest, my home. We have two drawers here. I have kept all the kitchen towels, roti ka kapda, appliances covers, doilies, napkins, aprons, etc. in this first drawer. These two baskets are a perfect fit and they help keep the kitchen towels organized. In this small container, I keep the dhoti ka kapda for sprouting moong or chana and to hang curd. The bottom drawer holds parchment paper, silicone mittens, all the baking and grilling tools and trays, a perfect spot for these essential items. I want to organize the top of the cabinet with frequently used essentials. Many of you have inquired about this tray and it's a DIY tray. I didn't buy it from anywhere. I will share it in a while. The top of this cabinet holds all the items that we eat daily, falling into the healthy category, I guess, such as dalia, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, rolled oats, almonds, and a container to soak almonds at night, etc.
Always on my mind and way out of my league. You were born to be on display, and I'm hard
Before I move on to another kitchen organization idea, let me share the bread recipe as many of you requested it. The measurements are for 1 kg bread. We need 320 ml of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 4 tablespoons of oil. I always use coconut oil, but you can use olive oil or any unflavored cooking oil. Add 500 grams of all-purpose flour, make a hole in the center and add 2.5 teaspoons of active yeast. Choose the correct settings and press start. The bread will be ready in 3 hours. Let the bread maker do its work and we can move on to our next organization idea. You might have seen this shelf in our living dining area where I used to display decor items. However, I found a better way to utilize this floor-cum-wall shelf to organize my daily kitchen essentials. One of the most effective ways to save space in a small kitchen is to use the walls. Installing shelves or a hanging rack can provide additional storage space for your kitchen essentials. This shelf fits perfectly in this narrow wall space. If you wish to organize spices and tea essentials or to display your coffee cups or mugs, then this type of shelves can be very useful. I bought this set of 3 containers from IKEA and it was their winter special collection if I'm not wrong. My primary focus was to organize our dry fruit containers on these open shelves to keep them handy. I am repurposing these nut containers we got during our travels on flights. Though I don't want to keep glass containers on these shelves as we might drop them, metal or tin containers are safe choice as they are unbreakable, airtight and look pretty as a display. It's that time again, time to get this kitchen shelf organized. We all know how important it is to have an organized kitchen. Not only does it save us time, but also makes it easier to find the tools and ingredients we need to cook up delicious meals. And who doesn't love getting things done faster and more effectively, right? I hope this episode on kitchen organization has been helpful in inspiring you to rethink your kitchen space and utilize it to its fullest potential. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Please like and share the video if you found the ideas useful. Do subscribe to Home Hashtag Live for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
always on my mind and way out of my league. You were born to be on display, and I'm hard to read. I thought of you, hoping that the ripples would make you notice me. And now you're here, sunlight on the ripples, somehow